Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We were discussing about subtraction. We have practiced a lot of some subtractions. Now we shall discuss the word problems or the story sums. In exercise 3E, see the first question. In a school, there are 1975 students. Among them, 898 are girls. Find out the number of boys in the school. So what it is given? Total students in the school. And what are the total students in the school? That is 1975. And among these 1975, 898 are girls. So how will we find the number of boys? We will subtract the number of girls from the total number of students. So see what will be our first statement. Number of students. Number of students is 1975. Then second statement, number of girls. How many girls were there? 898. Then how will we find the number of boys? We will subtract 898 from 1975. So we will get the number of boys. See, we have subtracted. Now this is 5 and this is 8. 5 is smaller. So 5 will borrow from 7 and becomes 15. Then 15 minus 8 is 7. Then this 7 has become 6. 6 is smaller than 9. So this 6 will borrow from this 9 and it will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Then this 9 will become 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And this 1 will minus 0 is 1. So how many boys are there? Answer is 1077 boys are there. Now see the second question. The population of a village is 2784. The village has only farmers and weavers. 1238 of the people are weavers. Then how many farmers are there? Same way as we have done the previous question, their number of students were there. Here the total population of the village is given, and you have to find the number of farmers, the number of weavers are given. So what will be our first statement? Number of people in the village, that is 2784. Then number of weavers, how many weavers? 1238. So number of farmers, we will subtract 1238 from 2784. See, we have subtracted. This 4 is smaller than 8, so 4 will borrow from 8 and become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then this 8 will become 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So number of farmers are 1546. Then third question you will do yourself. I am just reading the question. A truck can hold 6000 apples. 2700 apples are already there in the truck. How many more apples can be put in the truck? Total number of apples that a truck can hold is 6000. And how many apples are already there? 2700. So how many apples you can put more? You will subtract 2700 from 6000. Okay. Now look at the fourth question. This also you will do yourself. Jitendra has rupees 9000 with him. He bought a fan for rupees 8918. How much money is left with him? So what you will do? Total money Jitendra has, 9000. Cost of the fan is 8918. This money is spent. So what is left? You will subtract 8989 from 9000. This you will do yourself. Now see the next question. Question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. Now we have read in the first chapter. Now what is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. And what is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Before 100 what comes? 99, which is 2-digit. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. When we subtract 100 from 9999, what did we get? We got 9899. This is the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. Now see the next question. The sum of two numbers is 5098. If one of them is 3215, find the other number. Sum of two numbers means On adding two numbers, we get 5098. If one of them is 3215, means we have added something in 3215, then we got 5098. So what is the other number? We will simply subtract 3215 from 5098. And when we subtracted it, what will we get? 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. This 0 will borrow from 5 and become 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. And this 5 will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So other number is 1883. Then next, what must be added to 5017 to make it equal to 7000? Same as the previous question. The sum is 7000. One number is 5018. So what is the other number? So we will just subtract 5017 from 7000. And see, we will subtract, then there is 0. 7 cannot be subtracted from 0. So 7 will borrow from other one is also 0. So this 7 will lend to this 0, it will become 10. Then this 10 will become 9 and this will become 10. Then this 0 will become 10 and it will lend to this 0 and this 0 will become 10 and this 0 will become 9. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So answer is 1983 must be added to 5017 to make it 7000. The next question is, by how much is 9217 greater than 7590? In this also what you will do? You will just subtract 7590 from 9287 and then you will get the answer. Okay, do it the questions yourself, try it. Okay.